Hello, my name is Natalia Barrera Perez. Workshop 3 Pronunciation Practice. Number 1. Check the following sentence. Merge the syllable strings of each word. The airplane taxied down the roadway before taking off. Number 2. Number 2. Check the following sentence. Mark the word strings in the sentence. The airplane circled around the airport, guarding personally the reaching permission to land. Number 3. Check the following paragraph. The airplane with you have landed a bad syllable strip in wording sentences. The moon is a barren, rocky world without air and water. It has a dirt level plain on its surface. The moon is filled with craters. It has not light of its own. The jets its lamp from the sun. The moon keeps changing the shapes as they move around the earth. Thank you.